Hey guys, welcome to question FM312. This question, well before this question I should say, we're given the following information. Evan is writing a book and requires help from his genius friend Matt. Matt helps Evan by writing 12.5% of the pages in the book. The book contains 268 double-sided internal pages. Each page measures 210 millimeters wide, 297 millimeters high, and has a thickness of 0.2 millimeters. Question FM312 asks us, the surface area of all internal pages, including both sides in square meters, is closest to what? And then we're given 5 options. So to start this question, we want to build our own sort of structure to follow in terms of finding the internal surface area of this book. So let's build that out. We're going to want to take the number of pages and multiply that by 2 because we are looking at both sides of each page as containing surface area. And we're going to want to multiply that by the area of each of those pages. At the end of that, we're also going to want to make sure that we've converted our answer into square meters, because the question is explicitly asking us to find the surface area of all internal pages, including both sides, in square meters. So we need to make sure that we don't miss out that last step there. So finding our number of pages is fairly easy. We're told that the number of pages in this book is 268. And then finding the area of each of these pages is also fairly straightforward. To find this area, each page is a rectangle, so we're going to use our formula length times width. I'm going to use 210 times 297 to give an answer of 62,370 millimeters squared per page. So now plugging these two values back into that little formula we created, we have 268 times 2 times 62,370. That is going to equal 33,430,320 millimeters squared. And now of course we've got to do our conversion to meters squared. So in order to do this, you guys should be fairly across the simple conversions. So millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to meters. So millimeters to centimeters divide by 10, and centimeters to meters divide by 100. Now of course we're working with millimeters squared, centimeters squared, and meters squared. So these conversions are also squared. So in order to take our 33,430,320 millimeters squared to centimeters squared, we're first going to divide it by 10 squared. So we have our 33,430,320 divided by 10 squared, and that's going to equal $334,303 and, sorry, not dollars, 334,303.2 centimeters squared. We're now going to take this centimeters squared value and convert that to a meters squared value. So 334,303.2 divided by 100 squared. And that's going to give us a final answer of roughly 33.43 meters squared, which of course looks very similar, not to option B, looks very similar to option C. If you guys have any questions about this question, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.